Hi everyone, and welcome to the basis of Adobe Photoshop. While Illustrator is for vectors, Photoshop is a raster program. That means it works with pixels, making the king of photo editing, digital painting, and creating realistic mockups for your designs. Step 1. The workspace and core tools. When you open Photoshop, the layout is simple. On the left is your toolbar. This has all your tools. On the right is your panels, like properties, colors, and most importantly, layers. In the middle is your canvas. There are only a few tools you need to know to get started. The Move tool. This is your most used tool. It's a top one, the arrow. You use the select and move item around your canvas. The Brush tool. This lets your paint. The Type tool. This lets you add text. The Shape tool. This lets you draw rectangles, circles, and other shapes. Step 2. The Layers panel. The most important concept. If you learn one thing today, learn this. Photoshop is all about layers. Look at the Layers panel in the bottom right. Think of layers like a stack of clear papers. Each new item you add text, a shape, a photo, should be on its own layer. Let's try it. Select the Type tool and click on your canvas. Type My Design. Look at your Layers panel. Photoshop automatically made a new text layer for you. Now, select the Rectangle tool and draw a box. It creates a new shape layer. Right now, your box is probably on the top of your text. To fix this, just go to Layer panel, click and drag the text layer above the shape layer. Just like that, you've changed the stacking order. This is the fundamental workflow. Add items and organize them in the Layers panel. Step 3. Selections and Layer Mask. This is the real magic Photoshop. How do you cut an object out of its background? You don't use eraser. You use a layer mask. First, you need to select your object. Forget the lasso tool. The easiest way to quick selection tool. It looks like a brush painting a dotted line. Grab that tool and paint over the object you want to keep. Photoshop will try to find the edge for you. Once your object is selected, you'll see the marching ants line. Look at your Layers panel. Click the Layer Mask icon. It's a rectangle with white circle on it. Click. The background is instantly hidden. It's not erased, just hidden. This is called non-destructive editing. Your mask is the black and white thumbnail. The rules is simple. White reveals, black conceals. If you want to refine the edge, just grab your brush tool and paint with black on the mask to hide more, or paint with white to bring it back. Step 4. Saving your work. This is crucial. To save your project with all your layers intact so you can edit it later, go to File, Save As, and choose your Photoshop.psd. When you're finished and you want to share your design as a flat image, go to File, Export, Export As, and choose PNG or JPEG. And that's it. You now know how to navigate the workspace. Use the core tool like Move and Type, understand the power of the Layers panel, and use Selections and Layer Mask to cut things out non-destructively. That is the foundation for creating any mock-up or design in Photoshop. Thanks for watching!